Welcome back to my programming series. In today's video, I'll be diving into the world of Python classes. Classes are a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming and can greatly enhance the structure and organization of your code. So let's get started. First, let's understand what a class is. Think of a class as a blueprint or a template for creating objects. It defines the properties and behaviors that objects of that class will have. To create a class, we can use the class keyword followed by the class name. So let's define a class called car. In this example, we defined a class called car, but a class alone doesn't do much. We need to create instances of the class, which are the actual objects. To create an object, we call it a class as if it were a function. Now we have an instance of a car class and stored it in the myCar variable. Now we have an instance of the car class stored in the myCar variable. Well, what can we do with it? Well, classes can have attributes and methods. Attributes are variables that store data, and methods are functions that perform actions. So now we're going to define the car class with an init method. Self.brand equals brand. Self.color equals color. Then we're going to create a function for start engine. Print color. In the modified car class, we added an init method, which is a special method called a constructor. It gets executed when we create a new object. We pass in a self parameter, which represents the color of the object itself, followed by other parameters such as brand and color. Inside the constructor, we assign the past values to the object's attributes using self.attribute_name. Now we're going to create an object with the brand Tesla and color red. So my car, Tesla. It's going to be red. Now we're going to call the start engine method on the myCar object. When we create a new car object, we provide the brand as Tesla and the color as red. Then we call the start engine method on the myCar object, which prints a message using the object's attributes. Now we're going to run it and see what we have. The red Tesla is starting the engine. Now let's run it again. Now let's add myCar 2. And we'll call it Porsche, and it'll be a yellow Porsche. Then we'll have a myCar 2 start engine and myCar starting engine, and let's see what we have. Run it again. The red Tesla is starting the engine, the yellow Porsche is starting the engine. And there you have it. We've explored the basics of Python classes. They allow us to create objects with specific attributes and behaviors, making our code more organized and modular. In future videos, we'll dive into topics like inheritance and polymorphism, which build upon these concepts. So stay tuned.